Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Memberstack to Bubble for gated content step by step clearly. To connect Memberstack to Bubble for gated content, begin by creating a Memberstack account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and create a new project. In your project settings, define your membership plans and the access levels you desire. Next, head over to your Bubble app. In your Bubble editor, open the Plugins tab and search for the Memberstack plugin. Install the Memberstack plugin to your Bubble application. Return to your Memberstack dashboard and locate your project's API keys. Copy the public API key provided in the settings. In your Bubble editor, find the plugin settings for Memberstack and paste your public API key into the designated field. Next, create your gated content within Bubble. Design the pages or elements you want to restrict access to based on membership. Set visibility rules for those elements or pages, ensuring they are only visible to logged-in members. Go back to your Memberstack dashboard and configure the sign-up and login forms. Once this is complete, link these forms to your Bubble app using the provided URLs. Create workflows in Bubble for when users sign up or log in. Ensure that upon successful login or sign-up, users are properly redirected to the gated content. Test the entire process by signing up as a user. Confirm that you can access gated content after logging in with valid membership credentials. Once testing is successful, you can finalize your app setup. Now, your Memberstack is fully connected to Bubble for gated content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.